What if every school in India had a student-led platform for peace, culture, education, environment, global citizenship and leadership? What if students did not only study about values in textbooks, but actually practice them through activities, campaigns, debates, cultural exchange, and social responsibility? This is where the idea of a UNESCO club becomes important. Today, in this video, we will understand what a UNESCO club is, why schools should promote UNESCO-inspired activities, and how a school in India can start a structured club for students. Today, we are beginning an important discussion on how schools can connect students with the larger ideals of education, peace, culture, science, communication, and global citizenship. UNESCO is known globally for its work in education, culture, heritage, peace, sustainability, and international cooperation. Around the world, clubs and associations for UNESCO work as volunteer-based platforms to promote these ideals at the grassroots level. A UNESCO club in a school is not just another activity club. It is a platform for developing responsible, aware, active, and compassionate young citizens. What is a UNESCO club? A UNESCO club is generally a voluntary group of students, teachers, educators, or citizens who work to spread UNESCO's ideals through local activities. In a school, such a club can help students understand big ideas like peace, cultural diversity, sustainable development, human dignity, inclusion, environmental responsibility, and global citizenship. It gives students a chance to ask important questions. How can we build peace in our classroom? How can we respect different cultures and languages? How can we protect our environment? How can young people contribute to society? How can education create a better world? This is the real spirit of a UNESCO club. Why should schools in India start such activities? Indian education is changing. Today, schools are not expected to focus only on marks, exams, and textbooks. Schools are expected to build life skills, values, leadership, communication, creativity, social responsibility, and global awareness. A UNESCO club can help schools do exactly that. It can give students opportunities for public speaking, research, poster making, community service, cultural exchange, heritage awareness, environmental projects, peace campaigns, and leadership roles. Most importantly, it can help students move from learning for exams to learning for life. Important clarification. Before we go further, one point must be clearly understood. A school can start UNESCO-inspired activities and create a school-level club to promote UNESCO ideals, but formal recognition, naming, affiliation, or official status should always follow the proper guidelines of the relevant UNESCO club network, national commission, or authorized body. So, schools should be careful with wording. They should not loosely claim to be an official UNESCO body unless they have proper recognition. A safe and professional way to begin is to call it School Chapter for UNESCO Ideals, or Education, Peace and Global Citizenship Club, or UNESCO Club Activity Chapter under the guidance of a recognized UNESCO club. The focus should be on genuine work, not only on the name. How can a school start? Let us now discuss a simple step-by-step model. Step 1. Take approval from school leadership. The principal or school management should first approve the idea. The club should have a clear purpose, a teacher coordinator, and student members. Step 2. Appoint a teacher coordinator. One or two teachers should guide the club. These teachers may be from social science, English, humanities, science, art, or any department with interest in values-based education. Step 3. Form a student committee. The school can appoint student leaders such as President, Vice President, Secretary, Cultural Coordinator, Environment Coordinator, Peace and Values Coordinator, Media and Documentation Coordinator. This will immediately give students a sense of responsibility. Step 4. Define the club's mission. The mission can be simple: to promote education, peace, culture, sustainability, heritage, inclusion, and global citizenship through student-led activities. Step 5. Prepare an annual activity calendar. A club becomes successful only when it works regularly. For example, January, Global Citizenship Month; February, Mother Language and Cultural Diversity; March, Women in Education and Leadership; April, Earth Day and Sustainable Campus; May, Heritage and Local Culture Sabha; June, Yoga, Health and Well-being; July, Student Leadership and Responsibility; August, Peace, Freedom and National Duty; September, Teachers' Day and Education Values. October, UN Day and UNESCO Ideals Week. November, Constitution Rights and Duties. December, Annual Report and Recognition Ceremony. This gives the school a full year structure. What activities can be done? A school UNESCO club can organize many meaningful activities. Students can conduct peace assemblies. They can prepare posters on cultural diversity. They can hold debates on education, environment, and technology. They can organize heritage walks to understand local history. They can celebrate International Mother Language Day. They can run cleanliness and plantation drives. They can create awareness campaigns on water conservation. They can conduct model UNESCO discussions. They can prepare student research reports on local issues. They can organize inter-school essay, speech and art competitions. They can also connect with schools from other states or countries for cultural exchange. The idea is simple. Students should not only read about global citizenship, but they should also practice it. How to maintain credibility? Documentation is very important. Every school should maintain meeting records, activity photographs, BAS bond, student participation list, teacher coordinator report, certificates, press notes, social media posts, annual activity report. At the end of the year, the school can publish a UNESCO Club activity report or Global Citizenship Club report. This will help the school build recognition and also inspire other schools. How can schools collaborate? Schools can collaborate with recognized UNESCO clubs, educational organizations, cultural groups, NGOs, colleges, environmental groups, and youth forums. They can also organize inter-school activities under themes such as peace education, cultural harmony, sustainable schools, heritage awareness, global citizenship DAP, youth leadership circuits, education for human dignity. Such collaborations help students understand that education is not limited to the classroom. Role of UNESCO Club of Education Charter. The UNESCO Club of Education Charter aims to support schools, teachers, and students in promoting education, peace, culture, youth leadership, and global citizenship. Through school activities, teacher guidance, student leadership programs, seminars, publications, and collaborations, the club seeks to create a meaningful education movement. Interested schools can begin by creating a student-led chapter, appointing a teacher coordinator, following an annual activity calendar, and documenting their work. The purpose is not merely to add another club to the school notice board. The purpose is to build active, responsible, and globally aware students. Sample school club structure. A school can begin with this simple format. Name, Education, Peace and Global Citizenship Club. Patron, Principal, Teacher Coordinator, 1 or 2 teachers, Student President, 1 Senior Student, Student Secretary, 1 Student, Members, students from classes 6 to 12. Meeting, once every month. Activity, 1 major activity every month. Report, annual report at the end of the session. This is simple, practical, and easy to implement. Message to principals and teachers. Santo. Dear principals and teachers, if we want students to become responsible citizens, we must give them platforms where they can think, speak, serve, lead, and collaborate. A UNESCO-inspired school club can become one such platform. It can bring together values education, leadership, environmental awareness, cultural understanding, and social responsibility. And in today's world, these are not optional qualities. These are essential qualities. A single classroom can become the beginning of a global conversation. A single activity can inspire a student for life. A single school club can create young leaders who believe in peace, dignity, culture, education, and humanity. So, if you are a school leader, teacher, parent, or student, this is the right time to begin. Start small. Create a team. Choose one activity. Document your work. Collaborate with others. And slowly build a meaningful school movement for education, peace, and global citizenship. This is the spirit of a UNESCO club. Thank you for watching. For more guidance on starting UNESCO club activities in schools, connect with the UNESCO Club of Education Charter. Let us work together for education, peace, culture, and a better world.